Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here 4 kilometres from the town of Alcala la Real to show you a fantastic countryside property. This property has approximately a hectare of land, all of which is fenced. There are lots of fruit trees, olive trees and almonds. There's mains electricity and the water is from 2 wells. Here's your first view of the house, but I'm going to show you the pool area before we go inside. There's a large garage as well with the electronic gate. There's a small section of the land that's been allocated to an allotment, and there's also room for chickens. So here we have a beautiful swimming pool. The lights inside are solar, and all of the lights that surround the pool area are solar as well. And the pool has been done in a beach style, so at the far end it's very shallow and very safe for children. This is an extremely peaceful location. It's a super place if you wanted to put up a couple of wooden houses so that you could do some tourism here. And as you can hear, it's just birds and the chickens. There's abundant water here, and the track to come up to the house is only about 1 kilometre long, and most of that track is concreted, and it's only the last section that's natural. This bit I really love. It's so cool and shady, and there are many wonderful places to sit, where in the summer you can always find a cool spot, and in the winter you can always find some sunshine. There are many possibilities for this property. Not just is it an amazing place to live, but also the business potential here we think is excellent. So all of these lights here are solar. Everything's been done to an extremely high standard. And it's a really beautiful stone-clad house, which is quite rare to find in this part of Spain. Okay, let's take a look inside. So we go in, got a farmhouse style front door, and we enter straight into the sitting room. Open plan sitting room kitchen, lovely high ceilings, there are wood beams everywhere, a couple of feature stone walls. And the thing that you really notice is when you come in and it's very hot outside like it is today, it's beautifully cool in here. So the kitchen is fully equipped. You have a gas hob. There's an inbuilt dishwasher. And then of course your fridge, freezer, microwave and oven. The central heating here is run by a pellet stove, which we'll find down this little corridor, which is also used as a pantry. So it's excellent additional space. And just here is the pellet burner, and this is a type where you can use both wood pellets and almond shells. It has a water deposit, which means that it runs all of the central heating by water. A nice little breakfast bar there. As is very common with Spanish houses, there's a ground floor bedroom. And here it is. Again, lovely high ceilings. There's a fantastic sense of space in this property and air. And we have a downstairs bathroom, beautifully decorated in a very traditional Andalus style. And as you can see, it has a bath with, I think, a handheld shower, not an over shower, but that would be easy to install. And again, lovely high ceilings. Very, very good quality hardwood doors. That's throughout the property. I think a lot of thought has gone into this house. On this floor, as well as the central heating, you have the wood burning stove, which is always wonderful in the winter. And the stairs, again, full height ceiling. So it feels really open and spacious. One of the bedrooms here has been turned into a dressing room. So we'll look at that first. It's the first room on the right as we go up. Here's the dressing room. Would make a nice single bedroom or an office. And of course, lovely views. I'm going to show you this bedroom first. This sort of proper bedroom that's being used as a bedroom. Really nice size room. Views over your own land. Again, really high ceilings. And this is the second bathroom, which is a shower room. Again, tiles, very much in the Andalus style. But I wanted to show you the principal bedroom last, just because it has the most wonderful views. As you can see, double patio doors out onto its own veranda. And then as we step out here, you have spectacular views of Alcala la Real. And then obviously the surrounding countryside. So we hope you've enjoyed this tour of this wonderful countryside property. We look forward to welcoming you here for a viewing. Please like and share this video, it really does help us. If you hit the notification button, you'll be informed of all of our videos as we upload them. And don't forget to follow. I'm going to leave you with this amazing view of Alcala. Thank you for watching.